Mae'r sector cig coch yn hanfodol bwysig i ni yn Cymru. Mae'n cefnogi swyddi, yr economi a'r diwylliant cefn gwlad. Dyn ni wedi dewis y 3 elfen i'r prosiect yma achos dyn ni gweld bod nhw'n hanfodol bwysig i sicrhau fel cynhyrchiad cig coch yn Gymru. Mae'r 2 elfen sy'n edrych arno beth sy'n digwydd ar y fferm a wrth gwrs mae'r 3ydd elfen yn edrych ar beth mae'r cwsmer yn mwynhau fwyta a hefyd safon y cig dyn ni'n cynhyrchu.
So the Hill Ram scheme is a hill flock genetic improvement programme which aims to take advantage of new technologies, specifically DNA parentage, in order to enable the hill sector to performance record and improve genetics within their sector.
Mae amaeth yn gefn gwlad mor bwysig i'r economi lleol, i'r iaith Gymraeg a i gadw bobl yn gefn gwlad yn andros o bwysig yn y marn ni. Mae ffermio mynydd yn hollol bwysig i wlad fel Cymru.
The Start Plus project is a project whereby we're trying to engage with Welsh beef and sheep farmers within Wales to be more proactive with health planning on farm.
Dwi'n gobeithio drwy edrych ar iechyd y fuchas a ddiadell bod yn fwy effeithiol ac wrth wneud hynny bydd cos cynhyrchu yn llai, bydd yr allbwn yn well a wedyn oherwydd hynny bydd y ffarm yn fwy proffidiol.
So I think good animal health is something that is key really to sort of moving forward with the industry. It's important obviously for a welfare aspect, but it's also really important in terms of production, keeping your production costs down. You know, if your animals are a good high health standard and they're performing well, then they should obviously produce more and keep your production costs down if they're obviously healthier.
The Welsh Lamb Meat Quality Project then seeks to investigate on-farm and processing factors then that can affect meat quality, and so that we can ensure that we have a premium taste and quality then of PGI Welsh lamb.
Well, Wales is lamb, isn't it? That's what it is. You know, when you eat lamb everywhere else, it's just not as good. It doesn't even match.
As part of the project then, we're looking to get feedback from everyday consumers and the public, and by getting people to eat Welsh lamb and to give us feedback on the tenderness, the juiciness, the flavour and the overall liking. And we can link those back then to the on-farm factors and the processing factors then that can influence the eating quality experience.
Mae'r economi cefn gwlad yn Gymru wedi cael ei sylfaenu arno sector cig coch cryf sy'n proffidiol, a mae hwnna'n hynod bwysig i ni. Wedyn mae'r rhaglen yma yn mynd i edrych i datblygu hyn yn bellach a sicrhau fod nhw'n dyfodol ddisglair i ni fel diwydiant cyfan yng Nghymru.